In the net, hold on. Hang on. That is a small drum. Yeah, it's a drum. Scott Lundy, drum slayer. So I can get the bait out of it. This is a small one though. He's really not that big, but boy, is he putting up a great fight. There we go. Here you go. This is for my buddy Scott Lundy. 10 minutes after you left. Alright, Scott, maybe next time. I actually saw this fish swimming about 40 yards ahead of me. I just slowly worked my way up to him. Here, you come here. And cast it to him. Here you go, Scotty. This one's for you, buddy. I know you wanted to catch one today. Another hard take, man. Drum. Decent fish, too. Oh, pig. Piggy. Piggy. Oh my god. Size of the pig. Nice fish. That's one of the brutes I wanted Scott to catch. Love that sound.